There is a proverb: if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. Nowadays, the proverb is in reverse order. If character is lost, nothing is lost. No matter. If health is lost, something is lost. And if wealth is lost, everything is lost. This is the situation. This is the standard of today's people. And who is a real knowledgeable person? One may see one who is having a doctorate degree, PhD degree on a particular subject. He is very knowledgeable. In Sanskrit, we can consider that person as Pandit. Pandit is a word who is very knowledgeable. Usually, it is understood. But who is a real Pandit? Who is a real knowledgeable person as per Vedic scriptures? Chanakya Pandit says, Matravat paradareshu paradravyeshu loshravat. Matravat paradareshu. One who considers every other woman as mother. His vision is never contaminated by lust. Paradravyeshu loshravat. And one who considers others' property as dirt. It means he never encroach upon other properties. He is not at all concerned. He never get jealous. He never get envious if someone is successful. Matravat paradareshu paradravyeshu loshtravat atmavat sarvabhuteshu. The way he treat himself, he treat everyone in this whole world. He never hurt any living entity. One may talk about peace in front of audience. One may talk about peace while giving lecture. But at home, he is eating meat. What is the use of such talks? So the way he treats himself, he never hurt himself. No one in this world want to commit suicide, except people who are very depressed. But usually people don't want to hurt himself. Similarly, he never hurts anyone. And Matravat paradareshu paradravyeshu loshtravat atmavat sarvabhuteshu yah pashyati sapandita. He is real knowledgeable person as per Chanakya Pandit, one who considers every other woman as mother, one who treats others' property the way he treats dirt. He never looks upon it. The way he treats himself, he treats everyone. He is real knowledgeable person. He is real Pandita. Sa pashyati yah pandita. On the other hand, Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini Shuni Chaiva Shwapaktecha Panditaha Samadarshinaha. One who sees everyone with equal vision. That is, he doesn't see the body. He just sees the soul residing in the body. Who has that type of vision. Who thinks that each and every one in this whole world is a part and parcel of the Supreme Lord. Aham nija paravetti ganana laghuchetasam udara charitranam vasudhaiva kutumbakam. He considers this whole universe as the family of Supreme Lord, who is the head of the family, and we are all children. Aham nija paravetti, and who have this attitude, a narrow-minded attitude, that this is mine, this is yours. This is your family, this is my family. That person is never be called as Pandit. So one who sees with equal vision and even having such type of transcendental knowledge, still he has humility. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne. Such person is called as real knowledgeable person, a Pandita.